I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins from Your Black World, the Black Business School, and I want to welcome you guys to the Black Financial Channel. Welcome to the Black Financial Channel. This is theblackfinancialchannel.com. I'm going to talk for a second about Facebook stock. Facebook recently made an announcement of their earnings, and they exceeded expectations on Wall Street. A lot of you guys have heard me talk about Facebook stock, and Facebook was one of those companies that was predicted to do well during the turndown from all the virus stuff going on, and it looks to me like it is. It looks to me like it's working out. I'm reading here, and it says Facebook shares rose as much as 10% in after-hours trading on Wednesday after the company announced its first quarter results. Even though Facebook saw a steep decline in ad revenue in March due to the pandemic, it also said that the first few weeks of April began to show stability, injecting optimism into Facebook. So Facebook said, yes, we did take a hit in our earnings. Ad revenue did drop. That's one of their primary revenue drivers. But they've actually seen some beneficial movement. I see somebody in here mention Tesla. Tesla's another company that I just seen the analysts speak really highly of, and I actually recommend it. I would say recommend it. It's a stock that I added to my portfolio. And in case you guys don't know, in my Black Stock Market program, I actually have a whole section called What Dr. Boyce is Buying, where you can see all the stocks that I'm buying. I talk to you about what I'm adding to my portfolio, and I'll do an entry tonight. So if you want to join for $1, the first 30 days are $1, and then after that, there's a monthly fee to be a part of the program. But it's a great program, so feel free to go to theblackstockmarketprogram.com, THE. That's theblackstockmarketprogram.com. So to give you a quick summary here, really quick, I'm going to get my coffee and get to work. Facebook shares rose 10%. The company's revenue came in at $17.74 billion, up nearly 18% from the $15.08 billion the company reported in the first quarter of 2019. They said that it counts 2.99 billion monthly users on its family of apps compared to 2.89 billion in the previous quarter. I've always liked Facebook as a stock because Facebook is just a company that's so well run. They're so well run. I'm also a big fan of Tesla now, just based on my research, and I just really like the way Facebook handles things. I figured if anybody could handle this pandemic, it would be them. Also, one of the great things that happened today, you might have saw this on the market, is there was an announcement that there was a progress on this drug called remdesivir, and basically what that drug did is they said that half the patients that were on remdesivir went home after a couple of weeks, and what this does is this takes the death stigma off of the virus. Even though the probability of death was very, very low, it was maybe about, I think out of 1 million people, maybe 58,000 died. 90% of those individuals had comorbidities, meaning old age or, some heart disease, things like that. Well, now that drug is actually reducing that death rate significantly, which reduces the fear, which allows people to feel comfortable moving forward. A couple things that are probably going to happen off this is, one, the economy is going to open up faster than people expected, which means that if you've lost your job, you're going to get hopefully the job back, or there'll be other jobs available very soon. So those of you who lost your job, my heart goes out to you. I'm very sorry to hear that. And then also for consumers, these businesses will be able to hire people back because they'll actually have customers coming through the door, because customers will be less afraid of the consequences. So right now, what a lot of experts are paying attention to is how quickly we can safely get the economy moving again. Safety is the number one priority, but after safety is the ability to pay your bills. A lot of landlords, there are stories out there that basically say that that effectively now that as each month goes by, each week goes by, actually, there's a new problem in the economy that comes from the shutdown, right? So, for example, one of the things we're talking about now is a lot of landlords are starting to have financial problems because they got tenants who can't pay the rent. So they're either tenants are being evicted or landlords are losing their property. So effectively, that's going to be an interesting thing too. So I don't know where this is going to go, but I will say that I do recall, if I'm not mistaken, 2 or 3 weeks ago, I did mention Facebook as one of the stocks that I personally chose to buy. So I'm happy right now because I did buy some Facebook. And actually, as the economy kept dipping, I always just generally buy the dips. That's just what I do. That's my strategy. I'm sticking to it for life. And because at the very least, even if you don't make a lot of money in investing, at least you got something to show for your money. At least your money is not going to disappear like it would if you spent it, right? So investing is always better than spending because at least you get something back. So anyway, that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to make this a really quick Black Financial Report. I hope this helps you. Keep an eye on your portfolio. Keep growing. Keep building. Keep being consistent. Hit the thumbs up button and share button and subscribe button before you go. In fact, actually, give me a yes or no. How many of you own Facebook stock? I'd like to see how many of you own Facebook stock. And leave your comments in the chat and let me know if what your experience has been with your portfolio today and this week and how things are going for your family. If you haven't learned to buy your first share of stock, you can just go to firstshareofstock.com. There's a free training there on how to buy your first share of stock. That's firstshareofstock.com. And also, if you want to join the Black Stock Market Program, first month is $1. You can go to theblackstockmarketprogram.com. That's theblackstockmarketprogram.com. So feel free to do that, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.